lecture, I am going to discuss the problems on finite difference operators, students. What students? Finite difference operators. What are the finite difference operators, students? Come on, tell me everybody. Right. Shifting operator, forward operator, backward operator, central difference operator, and averaging operator. What students? Averaging operator. Okay, students. Write down the problem. First problem. This is relation between del and E, students. Relation between del and E. Relation between del and E. Relation between del and E. Prove that. First problem, students. Prove that del is equal to E minus 1. Prove that del is equal to E minus 1, students. Now, solution. How can you prove del is equal to E minus 1, students? E minus 1. We cannot get directly. Del is equal to E minus 1. What is forward difference table, students? What is forward difference table? So we have formula there. Del y naught. What is del y naught, students? Y1 minus y naught. What, students? Del y naught is equal to y1 minus y naught, students. There we learn in forward difference. Okay. So when there is a del y naught, we have how much, students? Y1 minus y naught. So the same concept I am applying here. So del y naught, students. Del y naught. So y1 minus y naught. Y1 minus y naught. Now I know also E y naught is there. E y naught is there. I can write it as y1, students. Y1. Okay, students. E y naught means I can write y1. Okay, students. Now I observe here y1. So this y1 can be written as, students, E y naught. E y naught minus y naught. Say, students, what is logic here? The suffix which is least. What is least term here, students? 0. So I want to convert y1 into y naught. Y1 into y naught, students. Now I can take in common y naught. So I get here E minus 1 y naught. So this is del y naught, students. By comparing these two, I can get del is equal to E minus 1. What, students? Del is equal to E minus 1. Simple, students. We can prove directly del is equal to E minus 1. So that I am taking here del y naught. I recall the formula, students. What is the formula? Y1 minus y naught. And then I convert y1 into y naught, students, because the least number suffix is here 0. Suppose it is minus 1, I am converting minus 1. If it is 1, I am converting 1. If it is 2, I am converting 2 students. Okay, so this point is very, very important, students. Now, del y naught is equal to 10 common y naught, we get E minus 1. So, by comparing these two, del is equal to E minus 1. E minus 1. Okay, students, write down the second problem. Prove that nabla is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1. Nabla is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1. Solution. 1 second, students. Here also, previously we have del y naught, students. But here del y r. What is del y formula, students? Y r minus 1. Okay, students, y r minus 1. So I want to write here by using this formula del or nabla y r, that is equal to y r minus 1. That is equal to, here we have r, students. What is least here? Minus 1. So I want to write here y r, students. So y r minus. So e power, tell me, students, e power minus 1 into y r. So taking common, students, yr, we get here 1 minus e power minus 1 into yr. So this is del yr, students. By comparing these two, del r nabla is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1, students. Please remember here, students, when there is a del forward operator, y naught, backward operator, yr. Okay, students, yr. Simple, students. By comparing these two, we get del is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1. Third problem, students. Third problem. Del that is equal to e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. E power minus 1 by 2. So solution. What is del, students, here? What is del? This del, small del. It is a central difference operator. What, students? Central difference operator. So what is common, students? Central difference operator del yr, that is equal to y r plus 1 by 2 minus y r minus 1 by 2, students. R minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to, previously if there is a y r minus 1, I can write e power minus 1, students. So that here, students, e power, very good, 1 by 2 y r minus, here, students, we have minus 1 by 2. So e power minus 1 by 2 y r. Taking common y r, so that I get here e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2 y r. This is del y r. By comparing these two, del is equal to e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. This problem is very, very important, students. This problem is very, very important. Right? That is the next problem. Nabla del, that is equal to del minus nabla, backward operator, that is equal to small del square. Small del square. Solution, you take a backward del and forward del, that is equal to, so students, what is backward del? Del is equal, we know that, sir, 1 minus e power minus 1. So 1 minus e power minus 1. That means you remember this formula and this formula also. Okay, students, you remember backward del and forward del, students. So what is forward del, students? E minus 1. So e minus 1. So that is equal to we get here multiplication 1. That means we get here e minus 1. Now we multiply with the e power minus 1, students. Minus e power minus 1 into e power 1. So we get 1. E power minus 1 into, it means plus e power minus 1. So finally we get here e plus e power minus 1 minus 2, students. Minus 2. What he says that backward del, forward del is equal to del square, small del square. Again, see, students. Again, we remember small del. What is small del, students, here? E power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. E power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. So, I want to find del square here, students. Del square. Del square. That means that del square means here e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. So, e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2 whole square. That is equal to e power 1 by 2 whole square, students. That means you get e plus e power minus 1 by 2 whole square. That means you get a minus 1 minus 2 into e power 1 by 2 into e power minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to e plus e power minus 1, e power 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So e power 0, value is 1. So we get here 2. Since, see, students, these two values are equal. So this can be written as, students, del square. This can be written as del square. Similarly, del forward del minus backward del, students. Again, What is formula? Del means e minus 1. Backward del means 1 minus e power minus 1. So minus 1 plus e power minus 1. Again I get e plus e power minus 1 minus 2. This is nothing but del square. What is conclusion, students? Therefore, del backward forward, that is equal to forward backward del is equal to del square. What, students? Del square. Now what do you understand, students, here? What do you understand? You have to remember del is equal to e minus 1. Backward del is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1. And central difference del is equal to e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. You have to remember this formula, students. Central difference. Right. What is the next problem, students? Simple one, this one. 1 plus del into 1 minus backward del. So that is equal to 1. Simple. Solution. LHS. 1 plus del, that is into 1 minus backward del. So that is equal to 1 plus del, students. Say first one. Once again, del is equal to e minus 1. So del is equal to e minus 1. We have 1 plus del. So you transpose this left hand side so that we get a 1 plus del is equal to e. 1 plus del is equal to e. So 1 minus del, students. 1 minus del. See, students, 1 minus del. That means interchange, students. That means transpose now backward del to the e power minus 1 and this one to the backward del, students. That means we get here del backward that is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1. By transposing, we get here e power minus 1 that is equal to 1 minus del, students. 1 minus del. So this is e power minus 1. E into e power minus 1. We get here 1, students. That is equal to r. Yes. And next one, students. Mu square that is equal to 1 by 4 del square plus 1. Solution. Mu square, students. Mu square means averaging. Or students, averaging. So what is mu r, students? Mu r 1 by 2. Averaging means a plus b by 2. So 1 by 2 y r plus 1 by 2 plus y r minus 1 by 2. It is equal to 1 by 2. This can be written as mu y r, students. This is mu y r. So 1 by 2. This can be written as e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 into y r, students. By comparing these two, mu is equal, I can write as, students, 1 by 2 e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2. So mu is equal to 1 by 2 e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2. That implies we need to find mu square, students. So mu square. That means 1 by 4 e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 1 by 4 a plus b whole square, students. E power 1 by 2 whole square. That means we get e plus e power minus 1 plus 2 into e power 1 by 2 into e power minus 1 by 2. That means we get 2. See, students, what we have to prove here, it is del square. Del square. What is del square formula, students? Del square. Here we have del square, students. Where here? Del square. What is del square? E plus e power minus 1 minus 2. So what is missing term here, students? Minus 2. Minus 2. So that I want to rearrange the terms here. Minus 2 plus 2, students. Minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 e plus e power minus 1 can be written as, students, 1 by 4. Written as del square plus 4. So that is equal to, multiply with 1 by 4, students, we get here 1 by 4 del square plus 1 by 4 into 4. 1, students. So this is RHS. This is LHS. Once again, students, we know averaging, students. Averaging. Mu yr that is equal to 1 by 2 into yr plus 1 by 2 plus yr minus 1 by 2. We know yr plus 1 by 2 means e power 1 by 2. Here e power minus 1 by 2. Take common by r. By comparing these two, mu is equal to 1 by 2, e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2. And mu square students, squaring. And then we have plus 2 students, but in the formula we have minus 2, so adding and subtracting 2 students, adding and subtracting 2 here, then we get if del square, and 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 by 1 by 4, we get RHS students. Let us see the another problem student. Write down students del tan inverse x. This is very important students. Del tan inverse x solution. What is del of f of x students? F of x plus h minus f of x students. Or students del f of x, that is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. So del tan inverse x students, tan inverse x. Come on, tell me. Very good. Tan inverse x plus h minus tan inverse x. Now I have formula students. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. That is equal to tan inverse of, come on, tell me students, x minus y by 1 plus xy. So that is equal to, what is the x students here? X plus h. So tan inverse x plus h minus y. So minus x divided by 1 plus x plus h into x students. X plus h into x. So minus x plus x cancel. We get here tan inverse of h by 1 plus x square plus xh. This is del tan inverse x students. Very important students. Very important. Write the next problem students. Next problem. Show that or prove that del of 1 by f of x, that is equal to minus del f of x divided by f of x into f of x plus h. F of x plus h. Solution. Now once again students, this is forward operator. So what is forward operator definition students? What is forward operator definition? Del f of x, that is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. So we have del 1 by f of x students. 1 by f of x. Come on, tell me students. Very good. 1 by f of x plus h minus 1 by f of x. What is LCM students here? What is LCM? F of x plus h into f of x. So here we get f of x minus here f of x plus h. So taking common minus students, we get here f of x plus h minus f of x divided by f of x plus h into f of x. That is equal to minus. So the definition of f of x plus h minus f of x. F of x plus h minus f of x. It is del f of x and del f of x divided by f of x plus h into f of x. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Del of 1 by f of x. Okay students, sometimes what he mentioned in the problem, unit difference. What students? Unit difference. What is unit difference means students? H is equal to 1. You can put h is equal to 1 students. Whenever you observe unit difference means h is equal to 1. That means you write h is equal to 1. This is about relation among finite difference operator students. Finite difference operator on some problem students. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.